Let me take the opportunity to invite you to an exciting investigation underlining the dynamics of food and grocery retailing in Punjab, India. The subject of retailing is not new. Retailing has been prevalent ever since the early stages of human civilization. With the development of markets and further increase in the individual needs, the barter system of ancient times has evolved to the present shape of modern retailing. The change in the Indian consumer consumption story began with the liberalization of the economy in 1991. The urban Indian consumption pattern are gradually converging with that of the global trends. The Indian consumer is spending more than ever before. Hence, as marketer, we need to understand the factor that affect the consumer behavior. One of the major factors is higher international exposure amongst the Indian consumer because of global mobility, which is leading to higher aspiration and expectation in terms of products and shopping experience amongst the new age consumers. Second underlying factor is the rising household income. With the increasing household income, the disposable income of families have also increased, resulting to higher household consumption. It is also observed that with the fall in the household size, there has been an increase in the average monthly per capita consumption of the household, giving boost to the retail sector. Demographic transition is yet another reason for the growth of retail in India. It is stated that as high as 65% of the Indian population is less than 35-year-old, and this is that age group which seeks too much of convenience and are spoiled for choice. Another societal change giving way to retailing is the increasing number of women joining the workforce, who are lacking the time to cook at home and finding it difficult to strike a balance in their professional, personal, and family lives. All these factors are testimony to the fact that the paradigm shift in the consumer socio-economic, demographics, and lifestyle has contributed immensely to the growth of food and grocery retail format typologies such as convenience store, supermarket, and hypermarket over the traditional Karyana format. Hence, it is crucial for the marketers to gain a better understanding of the grocery consumers. Through this video, we provide a general understanding of the grocery consumers' retail format choice in Punjab, India. Let us first understand the classification of the modern retail formats. The modern retail formats are classified in terms of size, location, assortment, price, types of merchandise, etc. The convenience store, as the name implies, are conveniently located near the residential area, in the community center or the neighborhood markets, at petrol pumps, in order to facilitate the consumer to walk in for their daily needs. The convenience stores stock limited merchandise and the floor area ranges between 500 to 3000 square feet. Secondly, supermarket is defined as a self-service format having a floor size ranging from 5000 to 15,000 square feet. The assortments of the merchandise offered at the supermarket largely includes food and grocery items, stationery, toiletries, health and beauty products, etc. The catchment area of the supermarket includes the residential areas from where the consumer can easily walk in or drive in for their grocery purchases. Lastly, hypermarket is a very large store offering a massive range of products. The size of hyper stores varies from 50,000 to 1,50,000 square feet. The stores are generally located in the outskirts of the cities and the towns because of its large space requirement, which might be expensive within the city limits. Whereas the Karyana stores are the traditional unorganized grocery stores that have the limited range of products and brands. Now let us see what the consumer of food and grocery item have to say in regard to their choice of retail format. Why the individual prefer one format over the other? What are the factors which lead to the patronage of one retail format and neglecting the other?
Why I like going to supermarkets is that one, it's one place where you get a variety of things. Uh, एक ही ketchup के लिए you get 10 different brands and you can choose out of the best. Second is you get very good deals. Things like sugar के साथ आपको चाय की पत्ती free मिल जाएगी. So you save a lot of money. As an Indian woman, I would like to save and get the best out of whatever my monthly budget is, and supermarket makes me do that. And third is it's also a very it's shopping with at luxury. You have time and every weekend goes in shopping, and I enjoy doing it with my family. You can actually, it's not only a woman's affair anymore, the whole family can go together, and she sits in the trolley and Amit and I shop together. So that's the fun part. It's shopping, kind of binds you also as a family. So I used to like going to these supermarkets, and I still prefer going to a supermarket.
I prefer coming to a supermarket because it's quite clean and you get a large variety of products. However, I don't buy my vegetables from here, I buy my vegetables from a market. And there's a wide selection of imported goods. Like I like to drink Perrier water and good chocolate from France, and that's not available in everyday stores. It's just convenient because then I can park my car as well. That's quite important. And also they have refrigeration, so I know that what I'm buying is going to be fresh. Because I tend to buy some perishable items, so they need to be refrigerated.
I would prefer a supermarket because it's more convenient, safer products, better quality, and I believe I would not, for chicken especially, because I just came to buy chicken, I would never buy anywhere else chicken other than MG or Farmers. So that's why I came here, because it's really near my place and the quality is good here.
सुपरमार्केट्स आर ऑलवेज बेटर चॉइस. ऑब्वियसली चॉइसेस ज़्यादा होती है, वैरायटी भी ज़्यादा होती है, एंड चूज़ एंड पिक हो सकता है इजीली, फ्रीडम ज़्यादा है, बहुत से रीजंस हैं.
जैसे कुछ चीज़ें हैं वो मिलती ही सुपरमार्केट पे हैं, छोटी दुकानों पे, किराना स्टोर पे या नुक्कड़ शॉप्स पे मिलती ही नहीं है, तो नेचुरली उनको लेने के लिए तो सुपरमार्केट ही जाना पड़ेगा. बाकी सुपरमार्केट्स की मैंने देखा है थोड़ी क्वालिटी वाइज थिंग्स जो हैं वो ज़्यादा अच्छी हैं. जैसे यही शॉप है MG स्टोर, आप ले लें, मटन जहाँ इतना अच्छा और कहीं नहीं मिलेगा आपको जितना यहाँ मिलता है. और भी मटन की शॉप्स हैं शहर में, बट यू कैन ट्राई, देन यू विल फाइंड द डिफरेंस.
एक ही जगह पे सब सामान मिल जाता है, एंड आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल प्रेफर इट बिकॉज ऑफ द ग्लैमर पार्ट. इन द समर टाइम आप AC में खड़े हैं और अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड हो रहा है, आपको सारी चीज़ें एक ही जगह मिल रही हैं, ऑल्दो द प्राइसेस आर हायर ओवर हियर.
I prefer going to a supermarket because there's a lot of choice, there's a lot of convenience, and you get everything under one roof. So there's no other better choice. In Kirana stores, there's not so much good infrastructure, and so you don't feel comfortable going there. It provides a lot of comfort and choice under one roof.
I prefer coming here to Harry Hyper because of the convenience purpose. Going to a Kirana shop, it's very difficult for me because I have to make the list and then give it to the Kirana guy. But here, like everything is displayed very properly according to the sections, according to the variety. There's a lot of variety I can pick here, and I don't have to think what I need and what I just can have a look at it and just know this is what I need and I pick it up. And because of it's not only the Indian products, all the imported products are available here. Like for example, my son is studying abroad and there are few things which he loves to get it from here. So like the Nando's, all the Nando's sauces and dressings are available here which children like it. And it's not only the Indian products, it's basically I can have all the sections are divided differently, like the shampoos, the soaps, and these sections are different. The khane pine ka saman is divided into different sections, and the tea section, the cornflakes section, like for example, the Fruit Loops are available here, which are generally at Kirana shops. I don't find it. So according to me, this is the best store because of the space and because of the moving space. It's basically move and pick store. Whatever you want, you pick it and move ahead. Yeah, because of this reason, I generally come here. Even though I'm staying in Panchkula, but still I come here. I prefer to come here because of the space available, because of the quality products, and it's all under one roof. Thank you.
We prefer to come to supermarkets because you get most of the brands here, either Indian or imported. Otherwise also, whichever thing you are looking for, from small to very big, you get over here, that too, in different varieties with different brands. Then the cost factor is also there because from retail, here you get discounted prices. Otherwise, we won't like to go to very, very big places like Walmart or somewhere because we have seen the volumes of materials are too high for us to, for a small family like us. We have to buy bigger volumes of the things that you have to retain for months to do. So we prefer to come over here. Then the checkout time out there is very, very long. At time you have to stand in the queue for hours. But here you check out in minutes. The minute you end up with the shopping, you are through from the teller.
First of all, it's very close to my home and we get good quality products here, so it fulfills our requirements. It's close and we get everything we want, so we come here.
दुकान पर आने के इसलिए प्रेफर करते हैं कि चीज़ जल्दी से अपनी उठाओ और उसी वक्त पैसे दो और बाहर आ जाओ। तो दूसरे जो सुपर बाज़ार है या दूसरे मार्केट हैं, सुपर मार्केट है या कोई भी मार्केट है, उसमें पहले लाइन लेकर चीज़ लो, फिर पैसे देने के लिए फिर लाइन में लगो। कोई क्योंकि पुरानी वाकफियत होती है उससे, तो वो थोड़ा कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन होते हैं। तो कभी अगर कोई उधार की ज़रूरत पड़े तो वो दे देता है। सुपर बाज़ार वाले तो नहीं देंगे, वो तो मिलता है। तो ये भी एक कारण होता है।
अगर कोई चीज़ पसंद ना आए या अच्छी ना लगे, घर से वापस कर सकते हैं किराने वालों को, क्योंकि दे आर पर्सनल कॉन्टैक्ट्स आते हैं। सुपर बाज़ार
आजकल एक और चल रहा है कि उनको टेलीफोन पर लिखवा देते हैं, टेलीफोन पर लिखवा देते हैं चीज़ें और वो घर पर पहुंच जाती हैं।
होम डिलीवरी
होम डिलीवरी का एक एडिशनल मतलब है, उनका बेनिफिट है।
कम से कम आज तक जब से ये शुरू हुआ है सारा यहाँ से बढ़िया मिल जाता है सामान, और मॉल में जाना पड़ता है दूर। एक वहाँ अपना जो होता है पार्किंग की प्रॉब्लम बहुत आती है। यहाँ हम पैदल ही डिस्टेंस जो है कवर कर लेते हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें यहाँ नज़दीक पड़ता है और यहाँ इजीली अवेलेबल होता है। क्या कहते हैं, क्रेडिट अवेलेबल होता है ना, मॉल में तो नहीं होगा ना अवेलेबल इस चक्कर में।
घर से जो है वो नज़दीक है, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, अगर हम बिग सुपर स्टोर्स पे जाते हैं, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं रिलायंस है या कोई सुपर बाज़ार है या भाटिया शॉप है, वो हमारे घर से जो है वो काफ़ी दूर है। और दूर में ये है कि पेट्रोल जो है वो 72-73 रुपये लीटर है चंडीगढ़ में। अगर वहाँ जाके हम 6 किलोमीटर 7 किलोमीटर जाते हैं, 7 आते हैं, 14 किलोमीटर, ऑलमोस्ट जो एवरेज है कार का वो 14-15 के करीब है। तो 72 रुपये आपके गए आने जाने में, वहाँ जाके आप कितना सेव करोगे? ठीक है, तो वही जो है मतलब इकोनॉमी जो मैयर है वो इस करके नज़दीक से, ये तो यहाँ तक आए हैं, इससे भी नज़दीक मिलता है तो उससे ले लेते। या तो ये है कि उनका जो मार्जिन है वो कस्टमर को इतना हो कि कम से कम गया है तो 100-50 रुपये अगर बचता है 1200-1500 रुपये पे कंपैरेटिव टू दीज शॉप्स, तो डेफिनेटली प्रेफर करेगा वहाँ जाना।
किराने की दुकान ये सहूलियत है कि वो घर पे पहुँचा जाते हैं सामान।
सबसे मुख्य वजह है कि आप इजी अवेलेबिलिटी है, घर के पास नज़दीक मार्केट होती है, आपका जो दुकानदार है बहुत ही आपसे बिल्कुल वेल नोन हो जाता है, आपको जो भी सामान चाहिए क्वालिटी वाइज चाहिए वो आपको इजीली मिल जाता है। इसका एक मेन वजह यही है। और दूसरा, कभी अगर आपको कोई ज़रूरत पड़ती है कि रात बरात कभी कोई ऐसे टाइम ज़रूरत पड़ जाती है कि मैं सामान को आपको टाइम नहीं जाने का, या आप बाहर टूर पे हैं, आपकी नौकरी बाहर है, तो बच्चे भी आराम से उनको जाके ले आते हैं, आराम से उनको दिक्कत नहीं होती है। पेमेंट भी आप बाद में कर सकते हैं। एक मेन रीज़न होता है कि जो नहीं आप कैश पेमेंट कर रही हो, कभी आपके पैसे नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं, बच्चे चले गए अपने ले आते हैं, बाद में पेमेंट पहुंच जाती है, तो डोंट बॉदर, उसमें अच्छा लगता है उनको। इसकी मेन वजह है।
Let us throw some light to see the other side of the coin. What retailers has to say about the new age consumer and what changes they witness in the consumption pattern of food and grocery consumer. The retailers of different formats are interviewed to know how the new emerging formats in food and grocery retailing are unique and are meeting the needs of the consumer. Could you just tell us about the inception, growth, and the current scenario of the store?
Well, the inception is like this, that it was started on the 17th of December 2007. The In and Out is a franchise of Bharat Petroleum. This is spread all over the country. This is a convenience store. The concept was picked up from the West, basically, because they found that stores which are located in pumps seem to serve a lot of purpose. It was started in Chandigarh on similar lines, and we've been very fortunate that we've succeeded because we are serving a need, a real need of the customer.
My store's name is Peshawari Supermarket. As you know, that this is the oldest store in Chandigarh as on date. First of all, this store was started in 1954 by my grandfather, late Shri Karamchand Gavri, and that was the inception stage when he shifted from Peshawar to Chandigarh, post India Pakistan.
So please describe the unique selling proposition of the store, how the store is different from the other stores.
Well, I think this is the only store in Chandigarh which is located inside the premises of a petrol pump. This is a new idea in Chandigarh, and it has clicked because, as I said earlier, it serves a need of the people. The USP of this pump is that, well, I think we're very involved and very interactive, as we are not just sitting behind counters. We're involved with our customers, we know them, and we try to cater to their needs. That, I think, is the USP of this pump.
We want to provide our customers with the best of the services, which we attempt to do, plus all goods in terms of food under one roof. That is the only USP we have.
What new buying trends are you witnessing among the customers here in Chandigarh?
Well, I think it's not just specific to Chandigarh. This is the general trend amongst customers all over, that they're becoming more health conscious, so they are trying to go for low fat things. B, they're going for ready to eat because there's a lot of time problems and constraints as such. So ready to eat and low fat items are a trend, and health items are a growing trend.
Basic change is that customer now, as on date, is looking for more and more convenience. Price is secondary for the customer. The kind of clientele, the kind of people who walk into my store, they are not bothered with money as a criteria. They are looking for high quality food, convenient food, and today time is also a constraint. Most of the couples are working, so they don't have time. So convenience is playing the role. For that, people are ready to pay money. But the traditional items, still they are desired, and we are providing them to the customer as on date. The desi jadi booties, which cannot be converted into convenience, they still are wanted, they are desired, and Indian customer knows. The customer of Chandigarh is way ahead, because Chandigarh has a literacy rate about 75 to 80%. So the customer here is very much aware. Plus, they have frequent international travel also. So they know what is a quality product, what services are available internationally, which they desire in Chandigarh.
So how you are witnessing the competition in modern food and grocery retail formats?
Well, I think I am competition for the traditional format of retail, which is the Kiryana store, because this is the organized structure that has come in. And the other thing is, competition comes and competition goes. We were very wary of Walmart and Reliance and other such big mega stores, but they've not really stayed and really made an impact, because running a business successfully, especially retail, is not just about branding. There's a lot more to it.
As far as the competition is concerned, it is very, very stiff. Today, we are witnessing some drop in sales, and maybe in some sections of the store, not all. The retail format for the customer is still important, because customer comes to a store, he wants to have a feel of the product, he wants to look at those things. So definitely we will stay in the market. There is no fear as such. But definitely to maintain or retain the customer, I'm talking about customer loyalty or customer retention as on date. From competition point of view, our motto is only one, that customer has to be given the right service at the store level, which will differentiate us.
What is your marketing strategy to sustain and counter competition?
Well, we really don't have any strategy. Just today, the chairman of Hindustan Unilever said you cannot have long-term plans, Mr. Manwani said, in business environment today in India. So the idea is to work hard every day and be true to your customers and yourself every day so that you keep improving day by day. That's the only way I can think of countering competition, because eventually you're competing with the sluggard, the guy who's not doing his job. And so you always win if you're doing yours.
So as far as marketing strategy is concerned, in times to come, I'll be opening more number of stores so that I can reach the customer as near as possible. That's the first thing. Secondly, under one roof, I am trying to provide more and more SKUs, in other words, more and more variety to the customer as far as possible. And third is that in times to come, I'm working on some net-based selling also, because for a planned city like Chandigarh, more and more people are shifting to net buying. So we will be having that service very shortly.
The million-dollar question remains unanswered. Are the new formats being able to cater to the needs of the consumer? What gaps exist at present? Let us see what the consumer of the modern retail formats have to say. Generally, the feedback regarding the grocery stores here. So, what do you feel like?
I'm only talking of Reliance,
Yeah.
because this is the only place I come to.
Fine.
But the staff is unprofessional, not enough products. The pricing is marked badly. I remember I got into a spot with the manager because it was marked wrong and he refused to give it to me. Just some strange behaviors, because if they're trying to compete with foreign branches, foreign retail stores, then they will have to pull up their shoes. They don't know how to talk. There's no discipline. The door is always open. There are flies inside. It's just upsetting. But I don't have a choice. So I come here because I don't have. The day I have a choice, I won't.
So, what's the reason that why you prefer coming to a supermarket?
It's just because I'm so used to buying stuff abroad that it just makes my life easier to get everything here. Unfortunately, like today also, I came to buy 10 products. I am going back with 3 because there isn't any available.
Yeah.
So I have to go to some Kiryana store. So whatever, doesn't matter.
So, keeping into consideration the future of retail in India, what you will suggest to the marketers or the corporate houses here, what they should look forward for a more mature market in food and grocery retailing?
Oh, absolutely. Wide range of products, definite great pricing, great discounts, have buy one, get one. I'm so used to being pampered abroad that not being pampered here is a pain. I mean, people who don't know it don't care. But to people who've been out, seen there, done that, it's really pathetic. But it's better than nothing. So, to me, it's the convenience at this point.
Right.
Nothing great.
I would like to conclude that as the competition in food and grocery retail sector continues to evolve, consumer demographic and the lifestyle change within the Indian market, understanding the consumer format choice linkage will be crucial to the retailer performance for the development of a more matured market.